Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Abdul Wahab. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the section number 26, 27 and 28. Procedure for registration. It means that how to get registration or how to register yourself as a registered pharmacist. So in section 26, it is all about the procedure of registration. Subsection number 1. As soon as may be after the opening of the registrations under section 24, the provincial council shall by notification in the official gazette invite applications from persons desirous of being registered as a pharmacist or as apprentices in pharmacy. Subsection number 2. An application for registration shall contain such particular and may and be made in such form as may be specified by provincial council and shall be accompanied by such fee as may be prescribed by the bylaws. Subsection number 3. The provincial council shall examine every application received by it, and if it is satisfied that the applicant is qualified for registration under section 25, direct the entry of the same of the applicant in the appropriate register. Subsection number 4. The provincial council shall, if it rejects the application of any person, inform the applicant in writing of such rejection within 90 days from the date of receipt of the application, and the applicant may within 60 days of the receipt of the information appeal against such rejection to the provincial government whose decision thereon shall be final. Subsection number 5. Failure to inform the applicant of the rejection within the period specified in subsection 4 shall be treated as acceptance of the application of the registration. Section number 27. Certificate of registration. Subsection number 1. The provincial council shall issue a certificate of registration to a person who has been registered under section 26. Subsection number 2. A certificate of registration issued under subsection 1 shall bear a number and the official seal of the council and be signed by its president and the secretary, and shall contain the following, namely: a passport size photograph of the person registered, B. the full signature of a person registered, C. An endorsement of any mark of identification of the person registered. Subsection number 3. A copy of the certificate with all the particulars specified in subsection number 2 shall be kept in official record of the council. Subsection number 4. A person to whom a certificate of registration has been issued may, if the original is lost, defaced, or mutilated, or for any other reason, obtain a duplicate thereof on payment of the same fee. What? Of the same fee as was paid for the original. Section number 28. A revocation of certificate. Subsection number 1 of Drug Act 1967. The provincial council may, after giving the persons concerned an opportunity to make representation and of being heard, and revoke the certificate of registration issued to him if such person, clause number A, incurs any disqualification specified in subsection 3 of section number 25, or B. Contravenes any of the provisions of the Poisonous Act 1999, the Dangerous Drug Act 1930, Drug Act 1976, or this Act means Pharmacy Act 1967, or of the rules made under any of those acts, or C. Clause number C fails or neglects to comply with any directive in respect of the profession of a pharmacist which the federal government or the provincial government may from time to time issue, or is guilty of such professional conduct as may be laid on by the provincial council in this behalf. Subsection number 2, where any certificate of registration is revoked under subsection 1, the name of the person whose certificate has been so revoked shall, after he has been given a notice in writing of such revocation, be struck off the registration in which his name was entered, and his registration shall thereupon stand cancelled. Subsection number 3, the provincial council may of its own motion and shall upon an application made in this behalf within 30 days of the receipt of the notice under subsection 2 by the person concerned review its decision to revoke a certificate of registration, and the decision of the council upon such review shall be final. Thank you so much. So it was all about the section number 26, 27, and 28.